Okay, what type of cell is an onion cell? It is a plant cell. How can you tell? Because of the presence of the cell wall. So, cell wall. What you can't see is there is also, even plant cells also have a cell membrane. So here's your cell wall, but inside you would have a cell membrane, because the cell wall is the only thing that's going to keep it upright. Okay, what type of cell is a cheek cell? Well, that's an animal. Yeah, I just called you an animal. How can you tell? Cell membrane, no cell wall. Okay, so cell membrane down here. Okay, you could see a nucleus. You could also see, it was kind of like brownish, wasn't it? A cell nucleus there. You might have been able to see a nucleolus, but all the rest of the cell parts were actually, so we know that, there's vacuoles in there, there's ER in there, there's mitochondria, but those don't die very well, okay? So why do you think, this onion cell does not have chloroplast? So we didn't see any green. Well, what part is the onion and where is it located? Well, the onion's in the ground. You don't need chloroplasts in the roots. There are no chloroplasts in the roots. They're only in the leaves. Which was the easiest to get a clear view of the cells? I have to believe you probably picked the onion. Just because it seemed larger, you could actually see it where you couldn't see your cheek cells. Why are dyes important? So you could see the nucleus. And which cells did you observe are prokaryotic or eukaryotic? Friends, both of these are eukaryotic, which is why I showed you the video of the amoeba sisters, because there's a nucleus. Remember that prokaryotes, they don't have a nuclear membrane. Okay, that's the difference. So those are going to be mainly bacteria. But this means true nucleus, where you actually have a nuclear membrane around the nucleus. These are not. Okay, so as far as your pictures go, and you have your pictures of your cheek cells and of your onion cells, okay? And both of them, pretty easy. I'm not going to necessarily say that, that you have to have one memorized than the other. Here, for example, is the onion cell. Again, see, you can still see the nucleus, but you can see a really definite cell wall. And then here's your cheek cells over here. And this is just a whole bunch of cheek cells over top of one another. So just wanted to show you the two since we were talking about cells and cell membranes, okay?